One person company. The term one person company has been defined in section 2 subsection 62 of Companies Act 2013. Okay. When it comes to one person company, it is a modern replacement of proprietorship firm. See, if you're running a proprietorship firm, you would have personally unlimited liability, right? Means if your firm is getting into loss, your personal assets would be available to pay out the debts of the business, right? But if you are running a one person company, may have limited liability, where you will have a liability limited to the unpaid value of the share subscribed by you in that concerned company, or your liability may be limited up to the value of the guarantee given by you at the time of becoming member in one person company, and even you may have unlimited liability. But if in a one person company you are having an unlimited liability, it is unlimited towards the company, not towards the creditor. Means creditor would have no right to file a personal suit against the member, even if the one person company would get into winding up, and that unlimited liability would only become unlimited if the one person company will get into winding up. Got my point? Now when it comes to one person company, let's go ahead with all the attributes of one person company. When it comes to one person company is having minimum paid up share capital requirement as may be prescribed by the central government. But as of now, central government has not prescribed any minimum paid up share capital, so logically as of now there is no minimum paid up share capital required in order to have one person company. Has to put below their name one person company private limited. It is a kind of private company. A public company cannot be a one person company. It's the nature of a private company. Okay. When it comes to one person company, two persons or two individuals are required to incorporate a one person company. One who is going to act as a member, another one is who is going to act as a nominee of the member. Nominee will hold the position of a member if the member will incapacitate or if the member would die. Okay, then only the nominee will take the position of the member. Got my point? In order to become a member or a nominee in one person company, you must be an individual. Only an individual can become a member or a nominee in one person company. He or she must be a citizen of India. A non-citizen of India cannot think about incorporating one person company or becoming a member in one person company over here in India. And third condition, you must be a resident of India. All three conditions need to be satisfied. Individual, citizenship, and residential status is determined as per immediately preceding financial year. So if a person or an individual has resided in India for a minimum period of 120 days during the preceding financial year, immediately preceding financial year, he or she will be treated as resident of India. Now, when it comes to one person company, nomination is essential. Although the name of the nominee will be laid down in the memorandum of association, but both nominee and the member would have right to withdraw the name. Means member can change the nomination or nominee can withdraw his consent to act as a nominee at any point of time by giving notice to the one person company and registrar of companies. But change in nomination would not lead to alteration in the memorandum of association of one person company. It won't be treated as alteration in memorandum. Remember, one person company is having certain debarments. One person company cannot get into three businesses. The first one is one person company cannot get into non-banking and financial activities. Point number one. It cannot get into holding or subsidiary relationship. Okay, means it cannot make investment or get investments from any corporate unit. And a one person company cannot be a not for profit organization. Got my point, students? Now when it comes to one person company, remember that a one individual can associate himself maximum up to two one person company at any point of time. So if me and my wife wants to incorporate a one person company, we can incorporate two one person companies. In one, I can act as a member and she would become nominee in that one person company. And in another one person company, she could be a member and I can be a nominee. Means at any point of time, I can become a member of one person company at one point of time and I can become nominee in one additional one person company at a point of time. Got my point? Next, remember, neither the member nor the nominee can be a minor person. Okay, a minor cannot become a member or a nominee in a one person company. That's it. I have explained each and every point related with one person company and it's over. All the best, students.